Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add the crumble and crust ingredients, then mix well. Now place some of the crumble and crust ingredients into a tart tin, leaving some for the topping. Use your hands to spread evenly the mixture, as shown. Now add the apricot conserve. Now cut the peaches into small pieces. Now cover the crumble mixture with the peaches. Now add 2 tablespoons of the peach juice that came in the tin. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Top with the remaining crumble mixture and demerara sugar, making sure that you push down with your hands the crumble into the peaches. Once ready, bake for 30 minutes uncovered in the middle shelf or until the top is golden brown. I know how hard it is not to dig in, but please let it cool down completely for at least an hour before you cut it. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment box.